I saw online somebody struggling to create a plant list like this. This is a standard plant list, and how to count just one part of the garden. So I've got these plants in garden 1 and these plants in garden 2. So let me show you what I mean. So you can see there, that's garden 2 plants, that's garden 1 plants, and I want to be able to count just the plants from one garden. Now at the moment, both of these plant lists are identical. You can see they're counting exactly the same plants. If I double click to open this, I'll find that this area here, this number 3 with the diamond, this is the database header, and this is the area that controls all of the criteria for finding the plants that you want. Right click, let's edit criteria, and at the moment it's finding any plant at all in the entire file. What I want to do is to add a criteria where I'm choosing a layer. There's lots of things we could choose, and the layer is garden 1, so planting garden 1. Let's go OK, and it's got a different number of plants. Let's close that. Let's have a look at garden 2. Now garden 2 at the moment is the same. So if I go to edit the criteria, you'll see that it's just finding plants anywhere. So I'm going to add my criteria again. This time I want to find planting in garden 2. And there's a different number of plants found. Okay, and let's close that. So there we are. You can see that it's counted up different plants. Now I've used the same plants in both gardens, so it does look very similar, but it has found different numbers of plants for each of those garden areas. So that's how we do it. Hey, I hope you enjoyed watching this. I love bringing these to you, so if you've got any questions, leave a comment. What sort of things would you like me to cover? See you later.